Hello guys, welcome back to a Pentest Club. Today we're going to solve another tutorial name called arsenal ng. So, so are you tired for searching like in the Google every time like you forget like a nmap or FUF commands, otherwise any type of cybersecurity tools that are freshly available, and you need to be gather everything in only in one terminal, everything, all the tools, like however you have in the Kali Linux all the tools, but we would like to try to get more than Kali Linux tools which is have just in one repositories that you can utilize entirely for your bug bounty programs, otherwise your penetration testings. So today I'm going to showing you a free open source that tool can save like a penetration testers and bug bounty hunters hours or every weeks, like spending like cloning these repositories, doing that, making like making etc things. So that's make you too much headache and head process for you also. So uh let's we would like to try to look it out here as this tool as a arsenal ng. So this is like a modern pentest command like launcher like a written in Go. As like inspired like Arsenal, it's written from the scratch from like a focus of simplicity, speed, developers for experience, every hacking tools as a inbuilt here. So what are the main features we are going to be getting out here? So the main features we are going to getting out here like instant startups, like a single binary no dependencies launches are milliseconds, like a smart search, multi-word just like search across like a tool names, a titles, tags, descriptions, and commands, and syntax highlighting, like a commands are a color coded with the syntax is highlighted for a better readability, and color tags, like each tag has consistent and distinct color based on hash for a quick visual identification. Also like a you can get like a global variables, a tools view, command hints, built-in help, and easily as terminal integration. Now let's we would like to try to look it out here. This is like a rational ng. Just try to copy the source code. Now just type it as git clone and paste this repository. Now I already cloned this one. Then let's we would like to try to go for as a rational ng. Now just type it as list minus al. Now just type it as go, and let's we would like to try to go back here, come back. I think we would like to make only just like as make as build, make as just build. So this going to be build everything for you. So you just need to be utilized as a bin using like arsenal ng. It's a simple thing. Let's we would like to try to utilize here. Now try to utilize as this one. Now this is going to be launching the entirely of the tool. You can look like here as we got like 403 bypassers, add miner, like it generates like a standard reports like connecting to the like any type of crypto minings or etc things in the cloud, and like aircrack engines. So you can get like a lot of tools which is available here: autospice, binwalk, etc things, bloodhound, all like even active directories or etc things, curl, dolphox, directory searcher, foof, etc things. So you can find out here approximately 272 tools, everything you can find out here. In this case you can look like here as exploration. So you can also look like here as Joomla scanners and Pentest like vulnerability, CMS enumerations, and security web, etc. things. Skate, scan, Katana, uh, LDAPs, everything you're going to be getting out here. All those things. Very, very clear. You can look like here, you got everything here. You want to do like reconnaissance, such exploit, silver is just like another C2 framework. Subfinder, Baptist, Weapalizer, XSS Strike, zip folders, everything, all the tools is inbuilt. So you can utilize here, like you want to search like Nmap. You can look like here. you just need to put like domain name. That's it. So you come directly here as a domain name. Okay. Now I just need to be put like here as uh, let me. I would like to try to take it like here as. Let me go back here. Where is this? Kali.org, Kali.forums, Kali enter exploit DB. Okay. I would like to utilize here as a offsec.com. We just need to be set up properly. First of all, if you choose like etc things, so we would like to try to utilize here from where arsenal ng. Now we just need to be put like here set target, otherwise set uh, domain equal to uh, okay, offsec.com. Now we would like to try to go with as bin as a arsenal ng. Now we would like to go for as subfinder target. Now we would like to go for here as a offset.com. It was as a fail. So you can utilize everything here, all the tools. So you can going to be getting out here, etc. things here. So but here we try to do like etc. things, but it's not going to be valid here. Now we would like to put it like here as a set like a uh, target equal to offset.com. Okay, I have set here. So otherwise I would like to try to clear here. I would like to put here as set domain equal to offset.com, which I was set here. Now we would like to try here as subfinder. Let's try here offset.com. So it's automatically splitting. So we just need to be set up here first as set IP equal to set IP equal to. Now I just put like an IP address 192.168.18.21. This is done. Now we would like to try to look like here as subfinder. So in this case we are going to be getting out here crossy. Okay, we have got here subfinder minus d as like you just put like here as offsec.com. Variable count to even if this is car, we're going to be getting out the right results here. Okay, so this was automatically set, but it was exiting. That's it. So you try your own, guys. Thank you guys for watching and keep smiling. Have a great day.